I am so disgusted when you look at this. All it is grass. There's a few flowers in here I can recognize. There's a marigold, and I don't know what that is. And there's a zinnia in there, but most of it seems to be grass. There's some cosmos. I don't know what that is. There's some cosmos right there. But yeah, most all it is just grass. At least that's what it looks like. Here's how I got started. First, here's the flower bed, and I just went through and turned the soil over with my pitchfork, taking out the grass and everything that you can see there. So I just turned the soil over, and then once that's done, I just raked it out nice and smooth. Got all the big clumps out there. Just raked it into a nice fine soil. Any grass clumps, I just threw them out in the yard. Or those sticks, I just threw them out in the yard. Here's the seeds I planted right here. Now, I've always thought that orchid was a really good game, and so I had really high hopes for this garden. So I just read the package instructions and opened the package and broadcast them onto my soil. And I had several packages of these. I think there's wildflowers and all perennial mix, things like that. That's just what the seeds look like. And so I just scattered them on the soil that I had worked. And you can see it's pretty well made into a nice fine garden soil. And I just spread the seeds on there. Here's another one. And I just kept going until I used up all these packages I bought. I only got 4 or 5 of them. I think it was 4. That one there is just another wildflower mix. So I just sprinkled them all out onto the garden. And then I just spread them around very lightly with the rake, with putting no pressure at all on the rake. Just lightly spread them around so they'll be nice and evenly. Maybe some of them just barely covered so you can't see them. I didn't put any pressure at all on the rake when I was raking them like this. Okay, now the seeds are all broadcast and lightly raked in. And I watered them every day with that sprinkler over there on that bird bath pedestal with the sprinkler there. And so I watered these every day. Right here, it's just right after a rain. And I was looking to see if any of them were coming up yet. And if I remember, it looked like there was, but you can't see them in this picture. But I just kept going out every day and sprinkling them for a little bit of time. And they came up, I think, in like about 4 days, I think. But this is what it looks like now. And I am so disgusted because it looks to me like there's just nothing in here but grass. There's a marigold. But it just looks like there's just nothing but grass. And I keep thinking, where could all the grass come from? I have other flower beds here. They don't have all this grass in there, and they're all treated the same. So I have no idea where all the grass came from. Here's some flower beds right next door that were treated exactly the same. These were packages of seeds, and there was a package of tomato seeds there, some cucumber seeds, and a row of marigolds there. And it's not completely without grass leaf. I just pulled up some grass there, but the whole thing is not covered in grass, and they're right together. So where did all the grass come from in the other one? Here's another package of, this was called monarch butterfly flowers, and you can see there's no grass growing in here. I planted all these stuff on the same day. And so there's the cucumber plant, and back in there was some black-eyed Susans from last year that are growing, but no grass. This that monarch butterfly garden, there was no grass in the whole thing, and I planted all this in the same day. Well, I hope that you liked the rest of my garden, and if you did, can you please subscribe to my channel? I would appreciate it. I just can't get over this. Where did all this grass come from? And these beds are all right side by side. And the other two don't have all this grass. I just don't get it. I'm so disgusted.